Yeah, we have become so lazy just because of these corona and lockdown.
Corona made her so lethargic and so sleepy in nature. Earlier, she was not, sleeping a lot, but
Yeah,
nowadays, if you tell her to sleep for 24 hours, she would be happy and definitely she can do it very easily. Okay,
yeah, in expert.
okay. So she is having few list of vocabulary and she gonna to make the sentence on it and she will inform me what the vocabulary she have prepared and she will let us know and we can make a note of it and we can make the sentences if we like and we can use that. So what are those list, Priya, you are having?
Okay, so I have prepared it today only. So when I was going through the words, then I found one word that was catch 22. I heard it for the
Catch
first time.
22.
I have never heard this word before, and this means what?
What does this mean?
It means like impossible situation. You can also say it paradox, like that only. So for the first time, I heard this word catch 22, which means impossible situation. Like it's paradox only when you say like you for driving you need license, and for license you should know driving. So it's like paradox only. So here
Okay.
you can use
It
swamped
means
work.
kind of
No,
contradiction
catch
word.
22.
It's kind of contradiction word. Like one depends on other, you
Yeah,
mean
yeah,
to say. So that situation we can say it's
yeah,
completely catch 22, you mean to say. Okay, nice. Thank you for this word. Let's move ahead
yeah.
and let's tell me about the second word you are having.
So second word is swamped. The spelling of this swamped word is SWAMPED. And here you can use like it like when you are very tired of something.
Okay, when you are tired, then you can use
For
that.
example, I am swamped with this work.
For example,
I am swamped with this work.
okay, all right. And any flooding word you were saying?
No, I was just telling the meaning of this swamped word,
Oh,
which was flooding, but we did not use the flooding in the same sense like flooding.
okay, all right. It's kind of lethargic. When you are tired, then you can use this swamp word.
Yeah, swamped.
Swamped. Can you please spell it out?
Swamped.
Yeah, spelling.
I'm swamped with this work.
Spelling, I mean to say.
Spelling.
Hmm.
Okay. The S W. Yeah, yeah. SWAMPED.
Okay, swamped. All right. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now we learned two words and make a note of it and start using these words in your sentences if you're tired so we can use these sentences. Now let's move to the third word in the list you are having.
So my third word is it's daily use words like bossy. Bossy, it means dominant. Like
Okay.
for example, she's really bossy kind of woman.
Yeah, when I was in the office, there was a TL actually, and she was reacting like always reacting like as a bossy, not with me, but other people in the team, and she always tried to harsh in nature and trying to dominate to the other peoples and just informing that this you have to do. It means you must have to do at any cost. If you are facing any problem, then also,
Yeah.
yeah, she will not, deny. She will just, keep on telling you to just finish it at any cost, and you must have to do that.
Yeah, so you can simply say she's really bossy kind of woman.
Yes, yeah. Okay, next word.
And my next word is daily use words like screw up, which means doing wrong. Like when you have doing wrong, like you can say, I really
Screw up.
screwed up the situation.
Scrapped. Okay, basically,
Yeah,
if you spoil
screw up
something,
this thing.
if you spoil,
Yeah,
right? Spoil, we can say that you screwed
yeah,
up this
yeah,
thing. Yeah, you screw up my this
yeah,
day. Yesterday we met in the meeting and you screwed up my mood there. You said some words that I really didn't like, and you screwed up my entire day yesterday.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, next word.
My next word is atrocious, which means terrible, very bad.
Terrible. Okay. Okay. Any other?
So my next word is tendency. Tendency means nature. For example, he has a tendency to forget
Yeah.
things
Yeah.
like that.
Tendency. Yeah. Basically, it's the thing like you can do, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. It's your capacity that you can do.
yeah,
It's your tendency that you can do. Yeah. It's common word and we can
yeah,
use that. Now, next we have.
yeah. Actually, I asked you the common words only for today.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Like we all have to, include. That is why I ask you to just combine some, hard word, or we can say like which we really not used to hear. That word also we can include, and apart from that, few words, common words, so that we can mix it and we can easily able to learn the things.
Yeah, in daily English use, yes.
Yeah. Why are you looking so serious now?
Actually, I'm feeling very good. For the first time, I'm doing video calls like this, which
Okay.
is being recorded. That's why.
Okay, no problem. You should be, so cool and calm. It's a simple call and we are just having the conversation. Yeah, so be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm your sister.
So
I
my
don't think you
next
should have to react like this way, just ashamed of something. This is just a call and we are having the conversation.
my
Yo. So, next word,
my next word is scrap.
crap.
Crap.
Okay.
CRAP. Crap.
Okay.
Crap means nonsense.
Nonsense. Sometimes you do
Like
crap.
for example,
Crap talks.
let's cut the crap and come to the point in
Okay.
conversation.
Yeah, right. So kind of crapping things. We can move, far away with the, people who do crapping basically. So we can, just
Yeah.
let the conversation and go away from that. Okay, all right. Next word, Priya.
Next word is precise.
Precise. Yeah, I know the meaning of it.
You tell
Exactly.
me.
Yeah, something which is exact time. So, something exact.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So we can say it's a
Like
precise.
I can't give you a precise time.
Yes. So actually, I had given her the precise time that this is a time we are going to join the meeting, and I appreciate her that
Yeah.
she was available that time. Now we are here on this platform and having the conversation. Yeah, Priya.
So my next word is extensive.
Extensive. Yeah.
Extensive means large, you can
Dash.
say.
Yeah. In extensive word only we can
So
just get that this must be related to be something which
get
we
the
can do
idea
the
of,
in extension large. Okay, any example you can give?
for example, her knowledge of the subject is extensive.
Okay, all right, that's nice, really great.